G'day, here's the 3 examples of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted, and the white is the reflection from the light. I've just zoomed in a bit to give you a better look. This first piece, it's got I call it picture stone. There's the hills or water, sky. Maybe cut it like that for a pendant on the end. Take that off the bottom. It has got the brown stone coming through. Basically you're buying the face. Second piece is a little bit concave, so you're going to need to be able to cut it through here or be able to use your Dremel and do some carving. This brown on the end will come off, as you can see there, so I'll end up with a flatter face once you grind it down a bit. Take the sides off. It's thick enough to make it into a pendant if that's what you want, with a rope. Last piece, seam here comes through, and it's on this side as well, a little bit more fire showing on this side. Same up this end. But anyway, that bit's last bit's thrown in. It's priced on the first two. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.